Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I am back with another Bath and Body Works haul. I am super excited to share with you guys what we have. There is nothing really super special about like why we went in to buy anything. We just happen to have some like 20% off coupons, and we literally had one candle left in our candle stash, and my mother was like, this is unacceptable. I cannot wait until candle day. I have to go get it now. And it just so happens that Bath and Body Works did have their 3-week candles, buy one get one free, so at least that made them like half off technically. It's not as good a deal as candle day, of course, but with an additional 20% off, and to refill our candle stash until candle day comes, we figured why not. And so we went and bought some stuff collectively together. We tend to all kind of pitch in when it comes to buying candles and stuff from Bath and Body Works, since we all take advantage of using the candles and the wallflowers and yada yada yada. So I'm super excited to share with you guys what we got. I hope you guys are excited too. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys are 2 body care items, because we did have coupons for free body care items. These are for me because I love some of their body care stuff. So I got a shower gel and a 24-hour ultimate hydration body cream in the twisted peppermint scent, and so that is what they look like. I have just recently started using these shower gels in my shower, and I do like them. These are my favorite lotions from Bath and Body Works. They are so hydrating and so nice, and they last a really long time, which is great. The notes on these are cool peppermint, sugared snow, vanilla buttercream, and fresh balsam. All right, so the next thing I'm going to show you from the smaller bag, I do have some plug-ins from this one. These are the plug-ins that I personally kind of picked out for like my rooms that I take care of in the house. And so they were 5 for $24 on the plug-ins, and so I got 3 of the cinnamon and clove buds. That is what this one looks like. It's got like a kind of a like warm leathery looking color to it, and the notes on this one are cinnamon, clove bud, and ground nutmeg. This smells absolutely phenomenal. So I also got 3 of this holiday scent, which I had never seen before, and the notes on this one are red cinnamon stick, Christmas clove buds, and ground nutmeg. Holy crap, so it's like this burgundy colored thing for you. But anyways, holy crap, you guys, this smells so freaking good. Like the perfect like holiday scent. I don't know how else to describe it to you. It smells so good. It's almost, to me, smells a little bit better than the cinnamon and clove buds. I just love that one in general, but it is so freaking lovely. I highly recommend this one. And then last for me, I of course had to go with the fresh balsam. And if you see this right here, it says increased intensity. So they had some Wallflower plugins that have like a stronger scent to them. They had this one in like the normal Wallflower plugins, but I had to get this. I love the freaking smell of Christmas trees, you guys. I am someone that has to have a live Christmas tree. I do not want artificial stuff. I know some people can't have it because of allergies and things, but I love them. And so I was super excited to see this. The notes on this are woodland balsam, crisp eucalyptus, fir branches, and cedar wood. And you guys, it smells like heaven. I am so freaking excited to put these in all my rooms and just like literally be choking on Christmas tree scent, okay? I cannot wait. And then of course I had 2 candles that I just had to have, and I'm so excited. First of all, packaging on their candles this year, you guys, 10 out of freaking 10. Just wait, I'm gonna try and not say how cute is this packaging like 8,000 times. I will apologize to you in advance if I do, because guys, the freaking packaging is so stinking cute. So first one that I got right here was crushed candy cane. Notes on this one are crunchy peppermint, white sugar crystals, frosted mint leaves? No, frosted mint leaf, a singular leaf. I love this. I love the smell of candy cane and peppermint, obviously, and so this is a staple for me every holiday season. I have to have it. My mom is not the biggest fan, but she don't hate it, but I think it smells freaking heavenly. And you guys, the packaging. Look how, can you even with that packaging, guys? It is the cutest thing I've literally ever seen. I'm obsessed with it, like literally obsessed. And then the other scent that I had to get was cinnamon and clove buds, which you guys already know that I like. Notes on the candle are cinnamon leaf, clove bud, and ground nutmeg. Again, it just smells So good. I love anything with cinnamon in it for the holidays. I mention this to you guys all the time. When it comes to holiday scents, if it's got cinnamon in it, I'm gonna love it. When it comes to summertime scents, if it's got coconut in it, I'm always on board. Those are my two favorite kind of notes. It smells absolutely phenomenal. And the packaging on this, so it's not like as cutie patootie, but you talk about a gorgeous, sophisticated looking package. Like, look at the lid too. They had quite a few different ones in different colors that had this super cool lid. I just love how elegant and elevated it looks. So if you're looking for something really classy, I think this looks phenomenal, and it would be great in like a gift basket for anyone. But I thought the packaging on this one was 10 out of 10. I really did like it as well. All right, now I've got to get into this giant, when I say giant bag, I'm not exaggerating, you guys. Look at it. It's one of the big ones. It's freaking heavy. I don't know how the handles are holding that up. I just need my will to continue on to be as strong as those Bath & Body Works handles on that bag right there, okay? Because like literally, I don't know how the bag doesn't break. It is that freaking heavy. So I'm gonna pull some of the stuff out of it because I don't wanna have to be bending down. So give me just a second and I'll get it up here for us, okay? We have two that are non-holiday, like Christmas themed. So the first one is this pumpkin apple wallflower. Notes on this one are red apple, pumpkin, and ground cinnamon. This smells absolutely phenomenal, you guys. I've had this a lot in wallflowers, in the bath soaps, not bath soaps, but foaming hand soaps and things like that. This is a great, great scent, and it's really good transitional scent. It doesn't smell overly fall, but it just smells really good. And then she also got 4 of the sweet cinnamon pumpkin wallflowers. Love the color on those. They look really pretty. And the notes on this one are warm cinnamon, fresh ground clove, and brown sugar. This smells a little more fall to me than the pumpkin apple, but all good nonetheless. All right, so before we jump into the remaining candles that we have, because I'm gonna have to pull the other ones out of the bag as well because they were in like the candle holder things. Is it a Bath & Body Works haul with me if we do not have foaming hand soaps? I think not. So of course, we got some foaming hand soaps, which I'm super excited about. Okay, so the first one that we have right here is one that my mom actually picked out, and this is Kitchen Lemon. Notes on this one are zesty lemon, sparkling citrus, and Italian bergamot. My mother loves anything lemon scented, especially for the kitchen, so we do have this one. We also picked up this frosted cranberry one. Look how freaking cute the packaging is on this too. Very, very pretty. Notes on this one are frosted cranberry, red delicious apple, and blonde wood. We have this one right here, which is Christmas morning mimosa. This is one that I had never smelled before, and I thought it smelled really, really lovely. Notes on this one are fresh cranberries, champagne bubbles, and a splash of orange. The splash of orange in this one really takes this up a notch. It smells really good. It has a sweeter scent than the frosted cranberry, I think from like the champagne notes. And then the orange just gives it that clean scent as well. It's really nice. I actually really enjoy the scent of this. Again, especially for a hand soap, because I like hand soaps that are also gonna make your hands smell clean. I feel like when you have ones that are too funky and fragrant, sometimes like your hands will almost stink after you wash them, which is like totally defeats the purpose of washing your hands. So I love ones like that with the hints of the citrus underneath it because they smell really, really good, but still gives you that like fun holiday fragrance. I hope that makes sense. For my rooms, okay, so my bathroom, most important one in the house where all the guests go, okay, got this one right here. This is Winter Candy Apple, but it says Merry Christmas on the container. Look at the packaging, it's adorable. I love it so much. Notes on this are red apple, winter rose petals, and candied orange. And then following along the similar type of packaging, this one is the Twisted Peppermint. You guys already know I had to get it. It says Let It Snow. Look at the freaking snowman on there. That is so stinking cute. I cannot stand it. It's adorable. Fragrance notes are cool peppermint, sugared snow, and aromatic balsam. But the last one I picked up was one I had, again, never seen before. This is called Holiday Mistletoe. And again, I love the little packaging on it, but I'd never seen this scent before, and it's so cute looking. And the notes on it are frozen cranberries, icy peppermint, and balsam branches. Because I love the peppermint and because I love the like balsam notes, I think this is like a perfect combo for me of like some of my favorite Christmas scents. It has such a small town Christmas store kind of a smell to it that I really liked. I did not see this in any sort of candle or Wallflower plug-in, but man, I really wish they would have had it because I would have purchased that for sure. And I think I didn't see any. If I pull out a candle, I'm gonna be so embarrassed, but I don't think so. I think this was like the only thing in this type of scent, but it smells really freaking good. I already know that I'm gonna love this, so highly recommend that. I cannot wait to use that one. So excited. And then so now I'm gonna show you the last of the candles. I have 8 more to show you. So we bought 10 candles altogether. So first one that we have right here, 'Tis the Season. If it's not a Bath & Body Works Christmas haul, if you don't got 'Tis the Season. Notes, rich red apple, sweet cinnamon, and cedar wood. Yup, that smells so good. Oh my god. The red apple scent really cuts like the cinnamon and everything. So if you like cinnamon scents, but you don't like, you know, like cinnamon and clove buds or whatever, like the whole spicy scent, you're really gonna love 'Tis the Season. And it's another one of those freaking adorable packages. Like look at the reindeer. Next candle right here was another scent that I had never ever seen before. This is called The Perfect Christmas. And the notes on this one are fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, and toasted marshmallow. You guys, this smells like a Christmas store. So you guys know the stores that you go in that are strictly Christmas stores. They're open all year long. This is what they smell like. It smells so good. It truly kind of smells like The Perfect Christmas. I really like it. I feel like they really nailed the scent along with the name, so I really like it. This is kind of a pretty plain Bath & Body Works packaging, but if you don't like stuff that's like super flashy, then I like the packaging a lot. So next we got this one called Cinnamon Sugared Pecans. The notes on this one are cinnamon sugar, warm roasted pecans, and brown sugar. This smells really nice. You know, like those toasted nuts or whatever that you guys get at like, I used to get them at like dance competitions and things like that, like the cashews and the almonds and stuff like that. That's what this smells like. It smells real good, real nostalgic, and I know it's gonna make me hungry. I'm not the biggest fan of like food scented candles because they do make me super hungry, and 9 times out of 10 they're super sweet. This does not smell super sweet any sort of like cookie or like pancakey way. So I'm excited to see how this burns. It does have similar packaging to the one that I just showed you, but I do think it's really pretty. So this one right here is called Christmas Cider. I don't think I have heard of this fragrance either. It's mulled cinnamon, crushed clove, creamy nutmeg, and shimmering cider. It truly just smells like, almost like a homemade apple cider. It does smell really good. I will say, in my personal opinion, I find this one to be a little less fragrant than any of the other ones that I have mentioned. Obviously, it could just be how it smells in here. It'll be interesting to see how it like smells up the house, but in the candle holder itself, not being burnt, it does not smell quite as fragrant as some of the other ones I've mentioned. So if you're someone that like tries to look for slightly less scented fragrances, is that a good way to put it? Things that are not so strong, then this may be a good one for you to try out. But the packaging on this one, again, adorable. I know I've said it on like every single one of them, but look how cute it is. Like, it's so adorable. So not only do we have a crushed candy cane scented candle, but we also have a twisted peppermint scented candle, okay? Me and my dad love the peppermint scented candles. They smell so good. And the notes on this one are cool peppermint, sugared snow, vanilla, buttercream, and fresh balsam. It smells so good. I wonder if I can tell you guys like truly the difference between the two. Hold on. Let's see here. I'll bring this one up here too. So really, in reality, the difference, if you're wondering, so this truly smells like a candy cane. Like when you open up a candy cane or when you're crushing up a bunch of candy canes for something, that's exactly what this smells like. This has like a more cool, like polar ice type of a scent underneath it. What is the difference really between the two? Cool peppermint and crunchy peppermint. Sugared snow versus white sugar crystals. Mint leaf. And it's got the, I think the vanilla and the balsam make this one almost like a little bit deeper, richer in scent. So I don't know if that really helped you either way. I think if you love the smell of just like candy canes in general, this is the way to go. And if you like something that smells like a little bit heartier, a little bit deeper, then this is going to be the way to go. They're very similar, I'm not gonna lie to you. Very, very similar, but different nonetheless. Different nonetheless. All right, next right here, this was Peppermint Sugar Cookie, another scent that I had never seen before this season. This is crushed peppermint, vanilla extract, creamy butter, and soft sugar cookies. I don't hate it, to be honest, but it is not my favorite. Again, I've already talked to you guys about how I feel about like food scented stuff, so I think that's why it's probably not one of my favorites. It does have a sweeter scent to it. I think the peppermint, while it is the first note, kind of takes a seat back when I sniff it. I guess maybe because I've just sniffed so many peppermint things. But it does have like a sugar cookie scent to it. I'm going to be interested to see how this burns because that'll be the big ticket for me there. But this is what it looks like. Let me know if you guys have already tried this out and what you think. I'm interested to know your thoughts. Okay, only 2 more left. So we got a sugared snickerdoodle. This was definitely my dad's pick if I remember correctly. Notes are warm spices, creamy vanilla, and sugared musk. It smells good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna be hungry, but so far out of the food scented ones that we have, I like this one the best because it smells legitimately like snickerdoodle cookies. Like, it's spot on. It's again one of those super cute packaging. It kind of throws me off that it's gingerbread, people, but I still like it. It's still cute. And then last but not least, I didn't even know I did it this way, but I saved the very best candle for last. It's a fresh balsam candle, okay? Notes on the candle are woodland balsam, crisp eucalyptus, fir branches, and cedarwood. I think it's exactly the same as the Wallflower. Oh, I could cry. It smells just like a Christmas tree. It's absolutely perfect in every stinking way it could be. If it was up to me, I'd have 30,000 of this candle, but I try to refrain. I may probably, and by may probably, I mean I will 100% buy more of these on candle day. Packaging is spot on. Look at the freaking Christmas trees and that adorable packaging. Part of me literally wants to have these so I can burn them whenever I want to in the middle of the year, just to bring me some joy in this life, but it's absolutely fantastic. This is my favorite Christmas scent. Anyways, you guys, that is the end of this Bath & Body Works haul. We spent over $200 collectively after the 20% off and the free items, so we really did put in some work. I am so excited for Candle Day to approach because I know we will pick up some more, so stay tuned for that if you want to see another Bath & Body Works haul. I would love to know your favorite Bath & Body Works Christmas scents. Definitely let me know if there's any I need to pick up, or what would be your favorite you think of the newer scents that I showed you, because they really came out with a lot of new stuff for this season, which I'm super excited to try. So I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you did enjoy it, as always, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!